Why are there not more people talking about dinosaurs? These magnificent creatures ruled the Earth for over 160 million years, yet they often seem to be relegated to the realm of children's books and blockbuster movies. But there's so much more to their story. These magnificent creatures ruled the Earth for over 160 million years. From the smallest of the species to the gigantic titans, dinosaurs were incredibly diverse and adapted to a wide range of environments. Their reign spanned three major geological periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Let's explore their incredible world. Dinosaurs, the terrible lizards. But wait, they're not really lizards at all. The name comes from Greek words meaning terrible lizard. Yet these magnificent reptiles were in a league of their own. They were a unique group of reptiles with distinct characteristics that set them apart from modern-day lizards and other reptiles. But wait, they're not really lizards at all. The name comes from Greek words meaning terrible lizard. Yet these magnificent reptiles were in a league of their own. They had unique features such as specialized hip structures, diverse diets, and varied modes of locomotion that made them stand out in the animal kingdom. The name comes from Greek words meaning terrible lizard. Yet these magnificent reptiles were in a league of their own. They were not just fearsome predators, but also gentle giants and everything in between. Their diversity was astounding, with some species being as small as chickens and others towering over buildings. Picture the towering Brachiosaurus, gently munching on treetops, while the fierce Tyrannosaurus rex ruled the land with its powerful jaws. These two dinosaurs are among the most iconic, but they represent just a fraction of the incredible variety that existed. The Brachiosaurus, with its long neck, was perfectly adapted to reach high vegetation, while the T-Rex, with its massive skull and sharp teeth, was the apex predator of its time. Dinosaurs first appeared in the Triassic period, around 230 million years ago. This was a time of great change on Earth, with the supercontinent Pangaea beginning to break apart. Early dinosaurs were relatively small and had to compete with other dominant reptiles of the time, such as the crocodile-like archosaurs. They weren't alone, sharing the world with early crocodiles and the ancestors of mammals. These early mammals were small, nocturnal creatures that lived in the shadows of the dinosaurs. The competition and interactions between these groups played a crucial role in shaping the evolutionary paths of both dinosaurs and mammals. Fast forward to the Jurassic period, and the Earth was a dinosaur paradise. The climate was warm and humid, and lush vegetation covered the land. This period saw the rise of some of the most well-known dinosaurs, such as the long-necked sauropods and the fearsome theropods. Think Apatosaurus, Stegosaurus, and a warmer world where continents drifted apart. The Apatosaurus, with its massive body and long tail, roamed the forests, while the Stegosaurus, with its distinctive plates and spiked tail, grazed on low-lying plants. These dinosaurs were well adapted to their environments and thrived in the diverse ecosystems of the Jurassic period. In the Cretaceous period, dinosaurs reached their peak. This was the final chapter in the age of dinosaurs, and it was marked by incredible diversity and specialization. Dinosaurs had spread to every continent, and new species were constantly evolving to adapt to changing environments. Imagine the mighty T-Rex, the horned Triceratops, and a variety of other incredible species. The T-Rex was the undisputed king of the predators, while the Triceratops, with its three horns and large frill, was one of the most recognizable herbivores. These dinosaurs, along with many others, dominated the Cretaceous landscape. Unfortunately, this era ended with a massive extinction event, wiping out all non-avian dinosaurs. Around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic asteroid impact caused dramatic changes in the Earth's climate, leading to the extinction of about 75% of all species, including the dinosaurs. This event marked the end of the Mesozoic era and paved the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. Dinosaurs are divided into two main groups based on their hip structure. This classification helps paleontologists understand the evolutionary relationships between different dinosaur species. The two groups are Saurischia and Ornithischia. Saurischia, or lizard-hipped dinosaurs, includes the meat-eating theropods like T-Rex and the giant plant-loving sauropods like Brachiosaurus. These dinosaurs had a hip structure similar to that of modern lizards, with the pubis bone pointing down and forward. Then there's Ornithischia, or bird-hipped dinosaurs, which encompasses herbivores like Triceratops and Stegosaurus. Despite their name, bird-hipped dinosaurs are not the ancestors of modern birds. Their hip structure with the pubis bone pointing backward is similar to that of birds, but birds actually evolved from theropod dinosaurs, which are part of the lizard-hipped group. And fun fact, despite their name, bird-hipped dinosaurs aren't the ancestors of modern birds. Birds actually evolved from small feathered theropods, which are part of the lizard-hipped group. This fascinating evolutionary link shows how some dinosaurs adapted to new niches and eventually gave rise to the birds we see today. So, next time you think about dinosaurs, remember, they're not just terrible lizards. They're the awe-inspiring rulers of an ancient world. Fascinating, right? Their story is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. From their humble beginnings in the Triassic period to their dominance in the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods, dinosaurs left an indelible mark on our planet's history. Their legacy lives on in the fossils we study and the birds that soar in our skies today.